In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted data from Google Sheets, whether you accidentally deleted some rows, cleared out a few cells, or you just want to go back to an earlier version of your spreadsheet. I'll walk you through the tools built into Google Sheets that can help you get your data back. First, let's talk about recovering data within an existing Google Sheet using version history. One of the great things about Google Sheets is that it automatically saves versions of your spreadsheet as you work. That means every time you make changes, Google keeps a record of what your sheet looked like at different points in time. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you lost the data. Once the file is open, look at the menu bar at the top and click on File. In that dropdown, hover over Version History and then click on See Version History. This will open a panel, usually on the right side of your screen, showing a list of saved versions, each with a time and date stamp. Sometimes you'll also see who made the changes if multiple people collaborate on the sheet. Take your time and browse through these versions. Click on a timestamp to preview what the sheet looked like at that moment. You can move through different versions until you find the exact state of the sheet before the data was deleted. This preview is really helpful because you can scroll, check specific tabs, and confirm that the information you need is there. Once you've found the version that contains the data you want to bring back, look for the button at the top of the sheet that says Restore this version. When you click this, Google Sheets will revert the entire spreadsheet to that saved point in time. Keep in mind that this replaces the current version, so if you only need a small piece of data, a good approach is to copy what you need from the older version, then undo the restore, or open the older version in a separate window and copy from there. Now, if you just deleted something a moment ago, there's an even faster option, the undo shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Z. On a Mac, press Command+Z. This will undo your last action, which often includes deleting rows, clearing cells, or overwriting values. If you haven't done many other actions since the deletion, you can tap that shortcut multiple times to step backwards through your recent changes until the data